Hey guys, today I'm going to be revealing to you how to make 1,000 naira daily on WhatsApp using this simple method I have here with me. Alright, before we go right into the video, if this is your first time of stopping by, please do well to hit that subscribe button and subscribe and leave a like to this video at the end of the video. Alright, so how do you make money on WhatsApp? How can you make 1,000 naira on WhatsApp every day? Simply by posting on your WhatsApp status. Funny, right? You can actually monetize WhatsApp status. Yes, you can make money from WhatsApp by posting your WhatsApp status. Now, every day you go on your WhatsApp daily, you watch WhatsApp status of your friends and family, okay, and they also watch yours in return. But have you made a penny from that so far? No, right? Yes, but I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make cool cash from just posting on your WhatsApp status, doing what you do every day. But I'm going to show you how you can do that same thing and make money out of it. And that method is by having what is called a WhatsApp TV. Now, a WhatsApp TV is simply someone's WhatsApp status having probably 1,000 or 2,000 or 5,000 WhatsApp views every day. Now, advertisers are tilting towards using WhatsApp TV rather than using Facebook ads because they feel those persons that view WhatsApp statuses are more relatable, you know, than those on Facebook. So people are tilting towards using WhatsApp TV or patronizing WhatsApp TV, okay, for advertising their products and services. For instance, I have a class or a training I want to run, and I need people to actually join my WhatsApp group and all that. So what I need to do is to look for somebody who has a WhatsApp TV or someone who has a good WhatsApp status following, probably somebody who has a WhatsApp status view of 1,000 or 2,000 daily, okay. Then the person will tell me the charge for each day's advert post on his or her status. Okay, so if that person posts my flyer on his status for a day, he might charge me 5,000 naira or 2,000 naira or 1,000 naira for posting my flyer or my product or my services on his status. So I am paying for his audience, for his 5,000 WhatsApp status view or his 10,000 WhatsApp status view or his 1,000 WhatsApp status view. Okay, so in summary, he is simply running a WhatsApp TV. Now, his WhatsApp status is as same as yours, but the difference that made his own a WhatsApp TV is that he has a good number of WhatsApp views. So, do you get that? Is the difference. So now you can also do this and start making cool cash for yourself. So, how do you scale your WhatsApp TV business? How do you ride on this? The very first thing you need to do is to build your list. Okay, you cannot have a WhatsApp TV if you don't have a list. Now, when I mean build your list or when I mean list, I mean your WhatsApp status view. If you have 10 views on your WhatsApp status daily, or 30 view or 50 view or even 100 view, you might not get patronizers, people who patronize you, to help them advertise their product, because they need you to have good number of WhatsApp status view, like 1,000 at least, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, and more. Okay, so the more WhatsApp status views you have daily, the more chances that you will charge your clients better or more. All right, so you have to start by building your list. Okay, and the second thing is to keep viewers engaged. Okay, keep viewers engaged. There are some certain kind of post or WhatsApp status post you can post or you can put up there that will keep your viewers coming back to your channel, coming back to your WhatsApp status rather. Okay, so you need them coming back so that they can actually view those clients ads you've put up on your WhatsApp status. Okay, so there are certain things you need to do to keep them engaged. And the third is to post regularly. Okay, you don't want to post today and the next time your audience is seeing you is in a month time. Okay, they need to be acquainted with your WhatsApp status. Okay, so you need to post regularly and always be there. All right, and the third is to build your portfolio or results. Okay, you have to show your result. You have to show your WhatsApp status view, how many persons have viewed your WhatsApp status view for the day. You have to show it to your client to convince them that, oh, you have this number of WhatsApp status view and all that, and you build your portfolio to around it. I want to talk more and expatiate on this, and I want to show you how you can be able to build your list. Okay, how you can be able to get 1,000 WhatsApp status view. I want to show you that, and I want to show you things you should post, to keep your viewers engaged. All right, and I want to also show you how you can build your portfolio. But all these, okay, will be in the next video. Right, will be in the next video. So remember, I told you guys that I was going to be doing a 10 video straight on how to make money on WhatsApp. So the next video will be the last video on how to make money on WhatsApp for now. So guys, do not miss that video, because that video will have a lot of packages in it and goodies. All right, so thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.